Well. Do you ever thought about monstack web development using your Android phone? Or you are busy with your girlfriend? Let's talk about it. Let me show you first what are the website I have created using my phone. Website called Lukecommon, which I have hosted in Heroku. Nepalganj developer, a landing page with form submission. Digital height, which I have launched in GitHub. Education related website, and currently I am creating monstack shopping website, which is incomplete, but yes, I will be going to complete it soon. How you can start learning monstack development? For the front end, you start from this SPCK editor. You will get all the everything that you want to learn in front end. If some features that are not supported in preview, you can just click by open in browser option, so that you can just use all the features that you want. You need to complete HTML, CSS and JavaScript for moving ahead to backend. Make sure that you have covered all the basics to intermediate JavaScript, so that it will help you in backend development. Let's have a setup for backend. We will be using powerful tool called termux. Learn all the basic commands of the termux so that it will help you for further in backend. Note, you have to download from Android, not from the Play Store, because the termux from Play Store have some restriction which will provide you error in the installation process. Make sure you have downloaded termux from the Android. After that, you can install Node.js package on termux, and as usual, you will be going to learn Node.js from the YouTube, and you will be doing same as they do, learn Node.js. After then, you can go for Express.js. After Express.js, it will help you a lot in the backend development, because it makes easy for you to make a server and the request from the backend, or manage the request and response from the backend. And also you can just go for the backend. After that, you will just selecting the database, what database you are going to learn. So for that, you can select SQL database or NoSQL database. Inside the SQL database, you can learn MySQL, and inside the NoSQL database, you can learn MongoDB. I will recommend you to learn MongoDB. After learning MongoDB, I will suggest you to jump into the mongoose ORM, and also you have to connect database online by using MongoDB Atlas. So learn about MongoDB Atlas and be familiar with it. Finally, I will recommend you to learn React.js, and you can learn React.js through website or YouTube. I keep it in last because after being familiar with termux, it will be easy for you to learn React.js. And of course, while learning backend, I will suggest you to use a code editor, which is best editor for you to manage the termux storage. So that I'm recommending you to use the code editor. So thank you so much for watching video. Thank you for your time. Have a good learning.